What's the meaning of Amy Johnson? Amy Johnson. Amy Johnson. Amy Johnson. Amy Johnson. Amy Johnson.
Amy Johnson was a pioneering British aviator and the first woman to fly solo from England to Australia. She achieved several flying records during her career, including becoming the first woman to fly solo from England to South Africa. She also served as a pilot during World War II. Johnson's achievements paved the way for women in aviation and inspired many to pursue careers in flying. Her legacy continues to be celebrated today through various monuments and memorials erected in her honor.